Computation that states 3% of the total annual appropriations. Is that correct, ma'am?
I was saying that this is based on the joint memorandum circular. It's 30% of the peace and order. If we say 3% multiplied by the, well, mas dako pa din doon, sir.
Yes,
Mr.
Mr. Chairman.
3%.
Yes, of the total annual appropriations. Mr. Chair, in the data 2024, actual collected, and also, if you compute, Mr. Chairman, our total available receipts, and total available resources for 2024 is 5.2 billion. Now, if we multiply that by 3%, Mr. Chairman, it totals about 150.
But that's not the basis. I was saying that this is based on the COA, DBM, DILG, GCC, and the joint circular, ang atong gibasihan, which is 30% of the total peace and order development programs and projects.
So may I ask, Mr. Chairman, how much was the POPs budget in 2022? The actual, Mr. Chairman, actual utilized POPs fund. And we multiply that by, as you said, 30%, Mr.
No,
Chairman.
that's not what I was saying. I was saying appropriations, meaning the proposed budget for 2026. Ano siya?
How about the
actual?
Yes, I agree. That's for 2026. I am reviewing 2024, Mr. Chairman.
2024 is also based on the 2024 proposed budget for peace and order.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. So theoretically speaking, Mr. Chairman, if we, let's say, propose a 100 billion budget, then the confidential fund would be 3 billion.
Yeah. That's how it's computed. Unless you change the memorandum circular. It should be based on the proposed budget, not on the actual collection.
Not on the actual, Mr. Chairman.
It can't be on the actual collection. It could be more, it could be less. So wala na, wala. Patay mo na. Kaya hindi mo kita naging wala. We just follow the procedure, the law. The legal basis in the computing, in the indication of the intelligence fund. But I mean, as essential. But your observation is good. Your observation is good. But it requires amendment of the law. That the basis is not the actual income, but the proposed budget. But karoon na na-reduce ang proposed budget yan.
That being said, Mr. Chairman, even with the reduction of 450 million, was it still in the 30%, within the 30% of the POPs budget, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, because I said before that the peace and order programs and projects was not affected, Mr. Chair. Gibalik naman nato sa sulod. Gibalik. Ang katong kitang-tang, gibalik nato sa peace and order because there's our peace and order related agencies like ang PDEA, INBI, so same already happened sa and in fact, doon na ba sobra na 139 million. So very conservative na ang atong increase.
Bigay na ko, 20 million lang, 20 approved last year's budget for confidential fund.
It was 280 million.
Karoon increase na gamay.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Compare na to sa Davao, Mr. Chair, because I have been attending meetings with the city budget officers, sa Philippine League of Local Budget Officers. Their
was it presented in the executive budget? Presented by our...
As presented by Councilor Yanamin, there's a need for us to reduce our budget based on his study.
Mr. Chairman, if it is based on his study, then he should present it first before we approve.
That's why he's referring this back to the executive, the local finance committee to study.
Mr. Chairman, this is already the budget hearing, Mr. Chairman. He should have submitted that last week so that this will be presented here now.
This is committee hearing. Anything, any motion can be entertained here. Is that an objection?
Yes, Mr. Chairman,
There is
please.
an objection to the motion. There is a motion. Motion to reduce the budget as presented by the Executive Department, duly seconded. There being an objection, let's divide the House. Those who are in favor of the reduction of the budget and to be presented back to the Executive Department, please raise your right hand. Third. Those who object to this motion, please raise your hand. Abstain. There being majority of votes in favor of sending back this budget to the Executive Department for to entertain the motion of Councilor Yanarnik to reduce the budget, the same is be approved. Let's have a recess of 30 minutes and let this budget be forwarded back to the Executive Department.
Your Honor, may I request for the details of the reduction?
Do that in your meeting now. It is 30 minutes.
Daghang salamat, Mr. Chairman. Kung tanawang maganda ito ang comparative sa 2025 and 2026, no, total income 2025, ang collection, total collection is 5 billion. Yung estimated income is 7 billion. Kung atong tanaw, bloated na yun. Kaya lang, mo budget ka, mo estimate ka, kinanglan, conservative on that, Mr. Chairman.
I think the chair has ruled that this budget will return back to the committee, to the Executive Department for consideration. So let's have a recess of 30 minutes.